Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to save storage with Google Photos in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. After signing in, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you'll find the backup quality settings. To save storage, choose Storage Saver. This option stores your photos and videos in a smaller file size while maintaining good quality. It helps you use less space in your Google account. If you choose Original Quality, your photos and videos will be stored in their original resolution, but they may use more storage. Next, open Manage Storage. Here you can review large photos and videos, blurry images, screenshots, and other items that may be taking up unnecessary space. Delete the files you no longer need. After deleting them, remember to empty the bin or trash to free up storage permanently. You can also organize your photos into albums and remove duplicate or unwanted images to keep your library clean and save even more storage. Using Storage Saver and regularly managing your storage can help you keep thousands of photos without running out of Google storage. That's it. Now you know how to save storage with Google Photos in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.